Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to go for the custom ringtone on your Apple device. As we know that we have the limited ringtone especially on any iPhones, but we would like to go for the custom or any additional songs, either it is from the videos, audio content or voice memos. How do you have it, especially directly on this ringtone space? As we see here, when we come in sound and haptics, we are seeing here we have one option more, that is a tone from say especially a store, as well as we can go for download and purchase, but we don't have in the custom ringtone here according to the own visualization and desire that we can have here. So for it especially, we have an easy procedure according to your own visualization and desire by your own choice. Especially you can import any content, either it is from video, audio or voice memos. How do you have? Firstly, if you would like to create by your own choice any ringtones from audio or video, you can go for virtual DJ. There just you have to select these kind of the things, and then just we will come in the master selection. Here we will record. Before going the record, you have to select this format, that is a MP3. It is a video content, but however we would like to convert especially in MP3 to directly we will import this one especially on this here. Why I'm telling you, so because here see, if I tap in our setting to sound and haptics, if I come in the ringtones there is no space to have the custom ringtones, but easily we can have. Let's see how. So I would like to have a for 30-second ringtone here. So what we will do guys here, just we will try to the record. So let's see. So see guys, here we have done for 14 seconds because maybe especially chances to the copyright claim especially on this content. So that's why actually I decided to have the less than 30-second the ringtones. So this one I have created according to our visualization. You can have here reverb, delay, echo, according to your own choice you can create. So this ringtone has been especially created on my desktop, where it is now. See here, this one has been created, and this one ringtone I would like to have on this especially device. So how would I have? For it, firstly we will go for now 3U12. So it's going to open here. So we have to go for an as administrator, then we have to connect the data cable from PC to your device. So as we see here, we have connected. Now we have to come on a ringtone space, and then we have to go for import it, and as we see here we will select the file and folder according to your own choice. We will come on a desktop, and after coming to the desktop we will select these ones. So now see it's converting, and as we see here, yes, it's a successfully imported. As we see on my device here, just reflection of a part. This is here ringtone. That's if you would like to the play now. See, so see guys, custom ringtones are how it's easy. As we know that on an iPhone especially beneficiary or user, they don't have any choice to have the custom ringtones, but by using these tricks easily you can have any ringtones, either it's from the movie dialogues, movies or videos, as well as especially any recorded videos, any voice memos. Everything that can be exported by using this trick. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course blindly have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible in course of time. And if it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please ponder, like and subscribe these contents. May be beneficial who are highly visualized to have this kind of especially information from these channels. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.